Fitbod Premium Strength Training App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about strength training is that most people plateau not because they're lazy, but because they don't know how to progress. Fitbod Premium changes that. This app uses smart algorithms to design personalized workout plans that evolve with you. But is it really worth the premium tag? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Fitbod's biggest strength is personalization. The app learns from your past workouts, your weights, reps, and muscle recovery to design your next routine. No more guessing what to do at the gym. Every session is automatically optimized for your goals, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or improving endurance. The interface is sleek and easy to follow, complete with video demonstrations for each exercise. It even adjusts your workout if you're training at home, using only body weight or limited equipment. Another highlight is the data tracking. Fitbod shows you which muscle groups you've worked and which need recovery, helping you avoid overtraining. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket without the hefty hourly rate. Now, for the cons. Fitbod is mainly focused on strength training, so it's not ideal for those looking for cardio-heavy or holistic fitness plans. Also, while the app offers a free trial, ongoing access to full features requires a subscription. In conclusion, Fitbod Premium is perfect for anyone serious about strength training who wants structure, variety, and smart progression. It eliminates guesswork and keeps your workouts fresh and effective. If you've ever felt stuck at the gym wondering what to do next, Fitbod might just be the app that takes your fitness to the next level.